If you've ever taken a photo in GIMP and noticed the lighting feels a little too cold, a little too blue, or just not as inviting as you want, this quick tutorial is going to help you fix that in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to instantly warm up cool lighting in GIMP using a simple color temperature adjustment. This is perfect for portraits, product photos, social media graphics, or any image that needs a softer, warmer, more natural look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP editing tips. All right, let's jump in. First, open your image in GIMP and make sure the photo you want to adjust is active on the canvas. Once you're ready, go up to the top menu and click Colors, then choose Color Temperature. This opens the Color Temperature Adjustment window, which is exactly where we can make the image feel warmer without changing the whole edit manually. Inside this panel, look for the Intended Temperature slider. This is the key setting that controls the warmth of your image. If your lighting looks cool or slightly blue, simply slide the Intended Temperature slider a little bit to the right. You don't need to push it too far. A small adjustment is usually enough to add warmth while still keeping the image looking realistic and balanced. As you move the slider, watch the preview carefully. You should notice the tones becoming softer, warmer, and more flattering almost immediately. This is especially useful if your photo was shot under cool indoor lighting, cloudy daylight, or any situation where the colors feel a bit flat or icy. The goal here is not to overdo it. Just warm the image up enough so it feels more natural and visually appealing. If the preview looks good, go ahead and click OK to apply the adjustment. And that's it. Your cool lighting has now been warmed up in just a few clicks. This is one of the fastest ways to improve the mood of an image in GIMP, and once you get used to it, you'll probably use it all the time. If you want, you can also combine this with other basic color corrections later, like brightness, contrast, or saturation, to fine-tune the final look. But for a quick warmth boost, this method is simple, effective, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more GIMP tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.